Hey, hi, howdy guys. What's up and what's glorious, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. As you guys can see in live HD, it's your host with the most, Paul Cantu, with a brand new trip to the Thrift. My lens is a little dusty from the tutorials I have been shooting. Stay tuned if they haven't dropped. But today we're live outside of the first thrift store. We're gonna sift, dig, pull gems and grails, and see what fresh vintage finds we can dig up today. Without further ado, shout out to you. I see ya. I read ya. Let's get it. All right, guys, we are deep in the trenches. Pause. And I've looked through everything in here and I've managed to find one thing that is fire. I saw the sleeve and I thought it was new school, but you guys know the rule. The sleeve never deceives. It says Kim or Chim Ing. I don't know if that's like Chemistry England or what, but you have the Concordia University of Waterloo, all embroidered, super vintage jacket. This thing is from 1978. If these letters, bitch, those are numbers, bro. If these letters are indicative of age. And then on the back, University of Waterloo, all embroidered in a beautiful, bright lemon yellow. Add a little bit of zest in this bitch. That is amazing, and I love the little black accents right there. I got different cameras, so if I want to zoom in on the little detail, I actually got to hit that manual zoom button, so it is what it is. But then look at that. Oh my God, you got these little horses going crazy. Hold on, there might be a couple of things. Polo Ralph Lauren, little button-up 90s af with the Polo Riders, bruh. Dude, this is really cool too. Straight out of Granny's workshop. You have a couple of these knit blankets, like 70s vibes. Dude, I might have to get these, man. Someone was really toiling in the field just crocheting. Can't let that talent go to waste. Woo! What a success. Not quite, but I still got some stuff. And the Brinks truck just pulled up with my payment, so that's what's up. Check out the bags though. You guys evaluate the sacks. Yes sir, Indelio. And yeah, man, as I said, I'm working with the new lens. Legit, when I was building my closet, my last lens just snapped in half and broke. So, deal with the slow zoom. I'm about to upgrade equipment, so stay tuned. But we got some cool stuff. The blankets are gonna be for sale on thriftheavenvintage.com, as are the clothes. I know some of you guys want that 70s like bohemian style room, so that's why I picked those up. They're fire and handcrafted in America, maybe. I don't know that. All right, on to the next. Oh man, dude, this is unethical. They got the Polo Ralph Lauren $20 crew neck. What's even crazier is,
wait a minute,
dang, it's stained up.
Ew.
Not like this, man.
Trippy.
And look at this, you have bilingual hats. I love when accessories are more learned than me. It's wild. But I found this amazing little Weimar, Texas M&G feed company hat. And look at the brim. That brim is absolutely unreal.
Oh, unreal.
Shout out my aunt. She actually owns a farm in Weimar, so shout out all my rural people out here, man. All right, now, dangling on the edge of the cart, I grabbed a few more delicious pieces. They rolled out some racks. You got the Pochono or Pompano. I don't know how to read, obviously. Illiterate. Tie-dye t-shirt, which is Butamus. Is that a Nike logo? Abstract. This shirt is absolutely crazy. Camo constructed of extra, I was about to say curricular, extraterrestrial creatures. Michigan Welcoming Committee. Man, I don't know how to read yet. This is so dope, bruh. Legit. Then you got the Tommy for Your Mommy Essential crew neck. Kinda in the Sully blue, maybe a tad bit darker. $6? Don't mind if I do, daddy. And then I'm not sure if I'm gonna grab this piece, but it's that early thousands Lee tag. It's like $4. It just says aerospace, then it says UND. I don't know what that means, but look at this. Thrift fits in this kind of matches. Nice. All right, let's keep looking around and see what else they got. I feel like it'd be just disrespectful for me to leave this stallion of an athlete in the Thrift. All knit golfer, $4? Steal. All right, guys, the sneaker section has actually provided some dividends in the form of some Lebrons. So you have the LeBron 12s, multiple color schemes. This colorway is like iced out slight dog doo-doo on the toe cap. That's the Easter color scheme. Kind of has this, I don't know, infrared peach salmon going on right there. Holy hell, the bottom of these have seen better days, man. This is looking like really dirty pool water. Delicious. I actually love drinking it. Chlorinated water is not bad in the apocalypse. So if your neighbor got a pool, you know, dip a cup and take a little sip. You also have the LeBron 12 Court Visions. And that check looks like got hit by an asteroid, straight up. But look at this. I mean, you got like the fingerprint-esque design. I can't tell if this person's a criminal or not. And then you have the infrared type of color right there. You have the fish netting and webbing. These are 15 bucks. They go for like 75 to 50. I just got to fix the check with a little bit of paint. And then these bad boys right here are super clean. Like the colorway is clutch. They probably go for about 50 bucks in the condition. But you guys know if you want them, thriftinvintage.com. We're gonna offer up some steals after I clean and rasterize these guys. All right, they're both my size as well. So worst case scenario, I keep them and do yard work and some LeBrons. All right, let's grab them. Oh, not like this. They also have the checker flag Dexter's.
Dexter! I don't understand a word you just said.
Wait a second, man. If the tag is truth, I think I need this. Made of genuine angel skin and made in the USA? Who we got on there, man? Which angel? Is that Michael or Gabriel? Come on, man. What y'all know about that biblical history? I think I might have to. That Cabretto. Hold on, guys. I got the canned green bean color scheme Carhartt jacket for the big boys, man. 4XL. Jesus Christ. Hey, if you guys want this, you already know where to go. Corduroy collar. I'm gonna pick it up, man. You big boys asked for the gear, and I got you with this one. Also, Tampa Brady.
Brady of the Bucks continue to trail.
Also, Canada Goose. Authentic. Oh.
Canada Goose fur. I'm so cold, bruh.
Oh, and before y'all freak out over this Canada Goose jacket, let me just show you, man. God damn it, this zoom. I be forgetting, bruh. All right, all that embroidery is touching. So this is as bootleg as it gets. Like, look at that chicken scratch, all right? So don't freak out and be like, I passed on $1 million jacket. Okay? For sure. All right, guys, we're out of there. It's gonna take all my strength to hold up these two big old yellow sacks. I feel like my pinky is about to fall off right now. But yeah, I got a cool hat, got a bunch of gear, and that's how we're just starting the day off, man. It's a beautiful day, not too hot, just right, Goldilocks zone of climate. Let's proceed to the next spot. Damn, dude, I was having a great day. And then I ran over whatever the hell this is, and my tire is leaking so fast. I don't even think I got a jack in this car. Actually, I might. This sucks. Alright, I'm gonna go on the Thrift and see what's up. And then come out here and change the tire or whatever, get towed or some shit. I don't even know if my like donut is in good condition. It might be circa 1996. Alright guys, this sucks. A big old bag of dicks. I just called the tow truck because my donut is like 20 years old and it's like dry rotted and cracked. So I don't know if I want to drive 15 miles to the tire shop on that tire and waste time trying to change it. I don't know, but I have to wait for this darn tow truck to. It's so sad. And this store's dry, but I managed to find this New England Patriots hat and the most fire kicks I've ever seen, bruh. You got the multicolored cross-colored clowns. $6, bruh. What's up? Oh, I'm sad.
Bitch, I'm back, 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 bitch.
Oh, those are beautiful. God damn. All right, guys, so I just got my tire fixed. I'm blessed. A lot of people were trying to help, which I appreciate. The homie Diggy pulled up in the parking lot that he recognized from my Instagram pic and tried to help me. And then I come to the store, the homie Isaac is in here just showing me these gems that he found. Crazy USA Olympic jacket, Butamus, got the green, the navy. You have the Cardinals national team jersey, and then another only $8 USA vintage windbreaker, and then there's more.
Hey, baseball.
This guy's not stopping. USA Baseball. Is that a Devil Rays?
Yeah.
Bruh,
Oh, this one I got.
stupid crispy. Look at that shit. Aquatic and erotic. My man just pulled up with the stuff. I found one piece. I found that Monterey 90s little jacket, like the color blocking. But man, this guy came over here and showed up and showed out. I think I just got flexed on. Hey, it's love though. I appreciate you, bro. Guys, I for real am so blessed that this store is conveniently located across from the tire shop. But dude, they got like essential pullovers, little Michigan. They got the vintage champion. It's like 10 bucks. I mean, they're right on the cusp. If this was 8, it would be a no-brainer, but that $2 difference be hurting me, man. Found the dead stock, Seminoles, and then they just have a ton of denim as well. It's wild in here. Look at this North Face. What? Bro, what? Hydro Seal? Okay, what they want for this? 20 bucks as is, red colorway. Oh, snap. Somebody was sliding down the chimney. This was Kris Kringle with his like modern fit. I might have to though. All right, guys. It's wild. I'm so glad I stopped over here. Boosts? No, what are those? Because I got a lot of stuff that I just plucked. You have the Philadelphia Eagles, Mike Vick, all embroidered black jersey. It is 13, that's slightly taxed. Donovan McNabb in the blacked out color scheme as well. You got the Slew Billikens, St. Louis University. I swear, this mascot looks like something out of a Dr. Seuss book, but I love the cuffs. It's a nice kind of UNC blue. $4, just all embroidered and detailed. And then we have Essentials 90s windbreakers. Oh, also a Chris Johnson jersey thrown in. You guys know this dude was a straight beast before King Henry Dunn took over. And then a couple of just crazy color block 90s windbreakers. This one is like in the Notre Dame Notre Flame color scheme. All right, Tough Stuff brand. Perfect. 8 bucks. Okay, let's go ahead and get out of here before, I don't know, I start a giant fire because, dude, the heat is unreal. All right, let's pack it up and keep it pushing. Oh wait, before we go, I also found this in the thrift store. Look at Mickey and look at Minnie. I know how to identify mice. Let's go. Uh-oh, they got the song on. Can y'all hear it? Oh, come on, man. They're playing Baby Come Back and then they want to announce something. Okay, first find in the Family Thrift outlet is that size extra small, made in Hungary, Nike Air tee. It took me a minute to decipher what these letters said. I am illiterate, so 3-letter words are definitely a little bit too much for my mind to comprehend, but we figured it out. Air. Bruh, life works in mysterious ways. I have way too much air to even handle right now. Nike Air white tag jacket. I'll take you. Dang, dude. Rest easy, Kobe. Real talk. Hey, I want to shout out the homie Abraham as well, who saw me in the store where I got the flat tire. Yes. Appreciate the love and support. And I appreciate these 2 little crew necks. Hello, just nestled in here all nice and deep like. We're getting all 3 of y'all.
All 3 of y'all.
Dude, Michael Kors crop top, my size. And you have my dog's name plus 1 letter. Need that. Yo, look at the artistry on this, man. Who on earth would leave this in the thrift? Come on, son. That's puff paint too. Wait, hold on. Let's get a closer inspection. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is that icing? Sometimes I really do wish I was an ice cream cone. I would just roll up to this. I would just roll up to that mouth, okay? Let's just put it that way. Dude. Look at the thrift fit. Are you kidding me? What are these Balenciagas? In the Jesus store? Nice. Dude, this texture feels like an accordion. Straight up. You guys know. Earth is my planet.
Earth is my planet.
Bro, who is doing this and why? That's all I want to know. Please.
Tripping.
All right, guys, final grab in this spot. Something I definitely need. The 6'9" stilettos? Hello. No, this cat shirt. Cat encrusted. Who does not need some in their life? Me. Because all I need is you. All right, y'all. You know if I pick up the video in a random spot that I found some stuff. I want to shout out the homie Adam who was in the store, showed love, and also threw up that alley. And I caught that thing and dunked it. He found one of these, and yet we have another one. The Budweiser King of Beers Guns and hoses. Oh, multiple whores or hose, excuse me. Got the damn police dog, the German Shepherd, fighting this Dalmatian. That's wild, bro, but it's nice. It's nice nevertheless. You also have this, dude, you have this German Adidas soccer jersey. Beautiful. I found that like candy coated tangerine Nike jersey. It's $2, bro. Let's go. Long sleeve. And then the Dolphins Christmas sweater. Shout out to Tunga Vailoa. And then you also have the blank little Hanes Sport crew neck, which I am gonna put some custom designs on coming up. All right, so look at that, 5 things real quick like. Yes. And all right, class, as you can see, we're back. And look at my backdrop. That's right, daddy. So the next video is actually me building this whole giant closet that's in my house. So you guys stay tuned for that. And also I have a pop-up, not this weekend, but the weekend after that. So November 15th, I'm gonna be in Dallas, Texas with all of my gear in person for you guys. So if you wanna pull up on me, it's gonna be at the Empire Room from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. November 15th. All the info is in the video description, so if you guys want to pull up on me, I would definitely appreciate it. There are going to be a ton of vendors there. It's with Dated Faded Warren, so big shout out to Barry as well. And yeah, pull up on my bitch hands. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed today's vid, please like, comment, and subscribe. The likes really help me out, as do the sus comments. And until next time, live the dream, eat that ice cream. I'm locked, I'm loaded, and I'm out. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get used to.